model, 2019 Ford Transit 2.0 TDCI 130 PS 350 L3H3 rear-wheel drive. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 66,536. MOT, the 1st of December 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, air con, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.